This is your FeltSmart bag. This is your FeltSmart FeltBoard. This is your envelope. These are your manipulatives, and this is your eco wall. And these are also included are the little removable hooks that you can use to hang up your FeltSmart eco wall. And this is your whole entire purchase today. You guys want to make some pizza?
Yeah.
We got pineapples here, cheese, onions, and pepperoni. Go ahead and make a nice, delicious pizza that we will all enjoy. Go ahead, you too, Elena.
I'm going to make my pepperoni pizza.
Go ahead, use as many toppings as you want. You got cheese and pineapple.
I'm going to put one.
It looks delicious. This is cheese, and we got pepperonis, and it looks delicious. So we have onion, pepperoni, pineapple, and cheese pizza. Okay, now I want a nice volunteer to, let's sort it. We're going to put some pepperonis right here, and we're going to put pineapple here and cheese here. Let's put it in his hand. We're going to put. So this is what you call sorting. And sorting is you're going to make every single thing on this side look the same. So does this go over here, Jordan? Does this pepperoni go on this side? No. Is it a pineapple?
No.
No. What is it?
A pepperoni.
It's a pepperoni. So we got to keep all our pineapples over here. What's this shape?
A circle.
Good job. It's a circle.
Look, circle.
Yeah. Look. And now we're going to keep sorting. I want Elena to put all the pepperonis on this side. So we got to make sure only pepperonis go on this side. Go ahead. Elena, can you count these pepperonis for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good job. Good job. Which one is more?
Me.
The pepperonis or the pineapples?
The pepperoni.
The pepperonis has more. Which one has less? The pepperonis or the pineapples?
The pineapple.
Good job, Jordan. Good job. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do what we call patterns. And what patterns is, we have the something that repeats itself over and over and over again. My favorite. I love pineapple and onion pizza. Okay, so who can finish the pattern?
Me.
Oh, Jordan, you can go ahead and finish it. So what comes after onion?
Pineapple.
Good. Put a pineapple there. Okay, you can sit down, Jordan. Good job. What comes after pineapple? What is that, Elena?
Onion.
Good job. Give yourselves a hand. You just finished what we call our pattern.
Pineapple. Onions. Pineapple. Onion. Pineapple. Onion.
Next, what we're going to do a little bit of subtracting. Okay, you guys know what's subtracting, Elena? You know what subtracting is?
Taking away.
Good. Do you know what adding is, Jordan? What does adding mean? When you put things together, you add them together. You put them. Subtracting is taking away. Right. When you make more. Good job. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. And we subtract 1. Now how many is it, Lena?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So can you do me a favor and number them for me? It doesn't really matter if it's 9 and 6 when you turn it up upside down. What's the last number? 7. Good job. So 6 take away 1 is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
just
5.
good job. So now we have what we call half of the pizza left. There's only half of the pizza left.
It's 3.
There's half. So we had 8, and half of 8 is 4. Let's find out what 4 plus 2 equals. Let's add 2 slices of pizza. Go ahead and add 2. 1. Good How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 equals how many? 6. Good job. Excellent. Give yourselves a hand. And that is our FeltSmart pizza lesson. Good. Well, if you get your manipulatives gets a little bit dirty, a little soiled, you want to get you a basin of water, some mouth soap. Put a little bit of mouth soap in the water, and you can go ahead and put your parts in. And you can swish it around, make sure all the dirt or whatever's on there comes off. And it's good for the sanitary of your center to wash your manipulatives every once in a while. Some of them doesn't have much decoration on it. This one's pretty simple. Just squeeze it, make sure all the water is out, set it down to dry. This one has some stitching on there, and it's a little bit glued. They won't come apart even if you submerge it for too long, but just don't, you want to keep keep it from coming apart. So don't submerge it too long, but make sure you just kind of pat it, rub it a little bit, squeeze it, and then set it out to dry, and then it's clean. We want to show you a nice easy way to take care of the fuzz. You get your nice little very inexpensive razor or a lint roller, and you could just roll the lint off. You can get some tape that off, but in this instance this does have some fuzz, so we want to go ahead and use our little razor. It has a little bit of a blade, and you don't want to press into it, you just kind of want to slide it over. And then, as you can see, some of the lint comes off. And then if you have a tape roller, it has tape around it, you can just kind of rub it over and get the lint off with the tape. But in this instance, I'll just kind of set it aside. And while some Eco-Walls have a lot of stitching and some of them don't have as much, this one has a little bit. Around the teeth of Pizza George is the stitching. And when you're doing your razor and getting the fuzz off, you want to be careful to go around that spot because you can nick a stitch and possibly unravel the whole thing. So you just want to go over that very slightly, or just want to pick the lint away. Here at FeltSmart, we create from start to finish. We use all of our imagination. We use our sense of humor. We use our belief system in creation and love and imagination to create each and every product. And every single product that we create is special and unique. It is exactly for what you need, for what your child needs to learn, to have fun. Childhood should be fun. It should not be boring. Learning should not be boring. So that's exactly what we like to do with FeltSmart. We want to take your ideas, take your lessons, take your curriculums, and incorporate that into each and every one of our Eco-Walls, into all of our tools, into all of our lesson plans. As a team, you and I, as a customer and as an owner, we will create a system that your child and your school will use forever. Even when it comes down to taking care of it, we understand that schools, we need to constantly keep our tools clean and sanitary. We actually help you do that. We keep your tools long lasting so that you don't have to keep putting money into it and using a lot of money over a period of years. We allow you to have the one system, and we help it to grow with you and your child and your school. If you have 3-year-olds, we give you a system for your 3-year-olds. We can add it to make it usable for your 5-year-olds. Our system is good for you. It's good for your kids at home. It's good for your kids in school. If you have a church, it's even good for the kids at church. We have Bible lessons as well. There's no end to FeltSmart. There's no end to the imagination that we have. You have an imagination, we have imagination, and so does your kids. And we want to take them all and incorporate them into one beautiful system that you will use forever. And what makes it so awesome and eco-friendly is you can pass it down for a lifetime. Thank you so much for choosing FeltSmart, and we hope you continue to use our products forever.